Once installed, pin the extension to your Chrome address bar. To activate Font Downloader, either click on the extension icon or press the keyboard shortcut Alt+F. Now hover your mouse over any text on the page to see its font family name. Click on the text and you will see both the font and the text properties. If you want to copy any property, simply click on its name. To download the current font style, click the download icon in the top right corner. If you want to explore and download other font variations, click the arrow icon to open the drop-down menu. Then click the download icon next to the variation you want. To close all open pop-ups, just press the escape key on your keyboard. If Font Downloader is not able to download fonts on some websites, right-click on the extension icon. Then click on the Cannot Download Font Report this option to send an email and report the issue.